Hello everyone, welcome to my new movie. So this one is unboxing of the dashcam which I got from Amazon. So as I mentioned on the previous movies, I was saying that I will get the new dashcam, and I did. I bought some dashcams from China and sadly none of them was working. And some of them were powering on, but not much above this. So I had to just send them back. One even came covered by water, and weirdly it was not covered by water on the outside. The package was dry. Inside there was like a water. So I don't know if they thought that this is a fish in it and just put some water into it. I'm joking, of course. But anyway, so I bought this one from Amazon and I hope that this one will work. So this will be quick unboxing movie, and afterwards I will make another movie which will be review, just to show all the features and everything what this camera is offering. So quickly to say, this camera is APEMAN, model is C550. This is a full HD camera, and it's controlled from the camera itself, so you cannot connect this to your Android mobile phone or Apple phone or your Android radio. So that's one minus, but the plus of this device is that it has the battery. So finally this can work on the meantime when you just leave your car and walk away. This should record everything that will happen when you are not there. So I like that. Anyway, coming from the box, this device should offer motion detection, loop recording, wide dynamic range, and G sensor protection. So from the back you can read that there is a full HD camera, which is the front camera. There is also rear camera, but first for front. So front is 1080p, 170 wide range on the front, 6 lenses, which means that this will catch more light and quality of the picture should be much better. 2-inch screen, which will allow you to see what when you're gonna browse through the settings. There is a WDR, which is auto create balance image and footage. So I think they speak about this 6 lens on the front, which means that quality should be quite good. There is a G sensor, so sense sudden movement and freeze image. So I think this is on the impact that camera will stop and just catch the image. Well, I'm not sure if this is a good thing, because probably you would like to have everything recorded what will happen during the accident. I mean, if you swear a lot, then probably not, but if you don't, then it's good to have this footage. Then motion detection, so start auto recording when motion is detected. So I guess this is when someone will walk next to your car, then camera will start recording. So that's a good thing. So this part will be opening it and seeing what is inside of it. I haven't opened this yet, so this is the first time. And then I will make the movie about what this can do and what is inside. So this is like a small, I think this is like a hello, so it's welcome book. Then I think there's gonna be manual. Yeah, it is a manual. It's quite big manual. Yeah, you got Chinese, how nice, and Japanese, and also English, I guess it should be. I think, yeah, it is. So that's pretty good. And then I think this is a camera. That's quite nice. It's nice packed. Oh, it's double packed. Cute. The camera is quite small, it's compact. That's a good thing. The minus is that the screen 2-inch is quite small, so for some which might have problems with eyes, it might not be the easiest to maneuver. So probably good idea will be to set this up before you're gonna apply this to the window, because when you apply this to the window, it's gonna be like that, and then viewing might be not the easiest. So anyway, on the bottom of the camera you have mounting for the camera, so there is a clip which go here with the adhesive on other end, so you can attach this to the window. On the front you have a camera. Basically you got those 2 side things for changing the angles. So on one side you have the microphone. This is what you got on one side. The other side you got place for your memory card and also reset. So it's in case if your camera will freeze, then you can put some tool here to make this just reset and restart possibly. On the back of it you have connection for USB, so you are provided with a charger which goes to lighter, something like that, and then the other one which goes to USB port. So it depends from you how you like to connect this. I guess possibly this can work in the way where you connect this to the PC and then you can transfer anything from memory card just to PC. But probably easier will be just to remove the memory card and place it to your PC. But anyway, then another one, it's a connection for your audio video in rear camera, and then GPS. So I don't have a GPS antenna with it, but I guess if you got this, then this will record the information about your current position, and this will be included in the movie. But to view those informations, you need to have GPS player, just to let you know. Then on the front of the device, you have speaker, then power on, so you can power this on, access to get to menu, and then arrows up and down, and I think this is for acknowledging. So let's power this on, if there is any power left. Yep, that's good. So basically you got 3 indicators on the top. One, it's low battery. I hope we'll manage to go through the settings. Anyway, this is indicator which is saying that the microphone is on. This one is showing the power, and this one is showing when it's recording. Then by pressing this one, we can access menu. So we can change resolution of recording. So I will choose Full HD. If you have small memory card, you might go for 720. Sadly the battery died. So I will include information about the device in my review. So let's go with unboxing. So further on, oh come on, it's not easy to pull this out. Yeah, you got another box in it. This is just a cover. Then there is a tool for resetting of the device. So if the device will get frozen, this is a wee tool which you use to reset the device. Then there is a rear camera. I'm not sure about resolution. What I will do, I will just record the movie, and from the movie I will see what resolution it will record the movie in. So you adding here we adhesive label on the back, and then you can attach this to the window. Or I think there will be also screws if you would like to add this to your car in different location. There is a wee protective label on the back. The quality, I will say, it's good. It feels professional, feels good. So I think it's gonna be fine as a durability. Then you have a USB cable. It's pretty small, so you cannot really use it for charging because it's gonna be quite far away from your charging port. You will need to use some extensions if you'd like to use this cable instead of a lighter. The next is the lighter itself. So this is quite long cable which you can use for charging of the device, and you will have to use it for charging of the device. And the last one is the long cable, really long cable, which is for the rear camera. So you're connecting this, you see this wee thing, to the connector AV on the device itself, and then the other one, which is this one, which goes to the rear view camera. And there is this adhesive one. So this is the adhesive which you place on your camera, then on the window, or you can use, as I said, wee screws to attach this. So I will record few movies using this camera. I will upload them to the review to show you the quality of the picture, and I will also test the features just to make sure that all of them work. And also I will show you the menu, because this time sadly battery was not strong enough. So yeah, because I just got this device, so I didn't have time to fully charge this. So I will have to do this first and then make the movie for you. So please have a look on my channel in few days. You should see a review. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this quick unboxing movie, and hopefully see you soon. Have a nice day.